Hi, welcome to this video where I will show you how to fix Shopify deprecated API calls. So let's get started. First of all, log into your Shopify store and go to your Shopify admin page. After that, click on the settings button and then click on the apps and sales channel button. Now click on the develop apps button. After clicking on develop apps button, you have to click on the create an app button. Now click on the configuration option and then click on admin API integration button. After that, search in search bar products and then tick or check the options related with that. Then in the search bar, search for orders and then tick the options as well. Now click on API integration button. Here you will see the API keys. So then install the app. Now admin access token will appear. After that, go to postman.com and click on My Workspace button. After doing that, click on the plus button. After clicking the plus button, paste the URL in the bar. And now click on the send button. After clicking send button, here you'll see the running code of the API. That's how you can fix Shopify deprecated API calls. So that's all for this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.